Okay, so I've just received the Vax Hoover today. Everybody shows pictures of clean carpets when they vacuum, so it doesn't really show a good idea, you know, it gives you a good idea of how strong the suction is. So this is my rug, and I've waited 2 days for this, so look at the dog hair on it. So it is quite grubby. I'm ashamed to be showing it on the video actually, but I've deliberately kept this for everybody to see. So there is a lot of hair here. Okay, so I'm going to now switch on, okay, the Vax, brand new, just got it out of the box. Put your foot down to recline it, and at the side here there is the switch here to press. Right, I just want to say I had to move the glider to the right hand side as you're looking down to make the suction extremely strong. So for low pile carpets and hard floor, when I put it over to the deep pile carpets, it didn't pick up the same. Yeah, so move it over to the low pile carpets and the suction is great. Here we go. I'll try my best to show you. Oh, that's strong. It's lifting the rug up. Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Very strong suction. As you can see, it's lifting the whole rug up. Let me just switch that off at the minute. It's very powerful, and it's a bit difficult for me to do it. I'm going to move the glider over, I think, a little bit more, so a bit of air can come through there to see, so it doesn't pull up the carpet so much. Let's try again. Yeah, I mean, it's brilliant suction. I'm just going to try and... Oh, okay, you can see how well the suction is just on that alone. So, I mean, okay, so to give you a rough idea, because it's hard to do a proper job and video at the same time, it has picked up fantastic. It would do a lot better with two hands and me, you know, making sure the rug's down. Now, for anybody that gets this that's unsure, the handle you initially here plug in the top. There's a release button behind it here, and you pull it up and out. If I can do this holding my phone. Right, to use the vacuum as the hose on its own, you have to unclip here. Take that off, and then you would connect this end. Where's the video gone? Sorry. You'd connect this end into the bottom of the hose. Put the phone down a minute. While I do that, there's a clip, so you clip it around the edge. Okay, we're back. And then it's not extremely long because I didn't buy the accessories, but then you have the hose there with, hold on. Right, the added tool at the top for cleaning. So yeah, it's not extremely long because unless you take that part off, it stays in the loop there. But I mean, it's good enough, I would say, to do stairs, well, for me anyway. And a couple of small little places I've only got carpet. But on the whole, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with this. I returned a previous one 2 days ago that had really good reviews, but it wouldn't pick up on the carpets at all. So I would say this is well worth the $74.99 I think I paid for it. And I'm extremely impressed. For the little bit of, you can see already where it's picked up on the rug on the inside there. So yeah, would well recommend, guys. Really, really good for the price. I hope this video helps a lot more people when considering buying one for your pet's hair, especially for your pet hair, because I own a lot of dogs. So all good.
I've sprinkled some sawdust on carpet just to show you how easy this vacuum is to use. So, on switch. You don't stop moving until you push it down. And look. How good's that? So easy. No messing. And the extra long power cord means I can get it all the way around the rooms without having to unplug it and plug it back in again. It's fantastic.
Great British originals with hundreds of programs you won't find anywhere else, including new BritBox original series. Why didn't they ask Evans? They're coming. Help is coming. Give it a go with a free trial.
How do you do? I've heard lots about it.